In this video, we're going over 9 reasons why you should buy the new Alcatel Joy tablet. Hey everyone, thank you for joining us today. If you want to stay up to date on all the mobile technologies coming out and learn cool tips, tricks, and hidden features, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and tap the bell to turn on post notifications so you can be alerted every time we post new videos. Today we're talking about the new Alcatel Joy tablet. We're going to start with a quick rundown of the specs. 8-inch HD display tablet, 720p, 4080 milliamp battery, 1.5 gigahertz quad-core processor, 32 gigs of internal memory, 5 megapixel front and 5 megapixel rear camera with HD video recording and playback, and it does support 600 megahertz spectrum as well. Now, those are some of the main specs. Let's go ahead and jump into what makes this tablet great. So the first one is going to be the software. It is going to come with Android 9 Pie, which is the latest version of Android. So you're getting all the latest updates and enhancements. The second reason is going to be the weight. So this tablet does come in at 10.3 ounces, which is actually lighter than the Galaxy Tab A and the iPad mini. So it makes it very light and very easy to take with you. The third reason is going to be the storage. So you are getting 32 gigs of internal storage built in, and you have the ability to expand the storage with a micro SD card. We will leave a link in the description below of some great deals on micro SD cards in case you want to expand that storage for more. The fourth reason is going to be the battery. So I did mention it is a 4080 milliamp battery, which is a very large battery. It's actually a bigger battery than what comes in the Galaxy Note 10, which is one of their flagship phones. So you're getting a big battery that's going to give you about 8 hours of video playback time. So if you're thinking about buying this tablet specifically for watching videos, you're going to be able to watch basically 4 full-length movies on a single charge, which is awesome. And that should get you through most plane rides through the US as well. So think about traveling from East Coast to West Coast or vice versa. The fifth reason is going to be a stock app that's built in called Closer TV. Closer TV is a really cool app that comes built into the Alcatel Joy tablet, and it does bring together all of your streaming apps as well as give you access to tons of TV and movie content all in one place. Now jumping into the next reason, this is actually tied to the Closer TV app, but we're calling it a separate reason to buy this tablet. Is going to be the built-in IR blaster, which allows you to use your Joy tablet as a remote for your TV. Now that's also facilitated right through the Closer TV app. Easily use it to turn on the TV, change channels, and control different things on your TV. So it's an added bonus, and you don't get this feature on too many products these days. I miss it. They used to put it on phones all the time, but they rarely do now. So it's great to have it built into your tablet while you're sitting on the couch and playing around with things. You can easily switch over to your Closer TV app and change the channel or turn the volume down or control anything TV related. So that is great. Definitely a big reason to buy this tablet. Segueing into reason number 7, it's going to be the Kids mode. Now with Kids mode, you are able to download apps and put them in a special section of the tablet that would be controlled by a pin. So you basically would go to Kids mode, add any apps you would want your kids to be able to use, and put that pin in that section, and so your kids will be locked in that section and wouldn't be able to get out unless you were to put in the code. It's an easy way to control what things your kids are doing on the tablet, and also keeping them away from things that you wouldn't want them to see or be playing with. The number 8 reason is going to be the fact that you have that front camera there is a big plus for a lot of you guys that love to use video chatting. So Snapchat, Instagram, or even Facebook Messenger, you can easily open up these apps, start a video chat, and you've got that front camera that would make this great for just doing video chatting with, you know, friends, family, and other. And finally, the 9th reason is going to be the price. So you're getting a lot of value with this tablet for a really great price. Now, I'm going to break down some of the deals that are currently available with this tablet. However, By the time you watch this video, the deals may change, so just keep that in mind. But as of today, the price of this tablet is going to be normally $160. Now this is if you were to go to a Metro PCS store. They currently have a deal where you get the tablet for half off, and when you add in the monthly service to get 4G LTE data connected with it, you would actually walk out getting the tablet for around $130 to $135. So, and this sort of ties into the last big feature of this tablet and reason to buy, which is that you are able to get a data plan and get 4G LTE unlimited data with this tablet. So being able to watch your videos, listen to your music, and access the web on the go. So with Metro, they do offer a $15 and $30 plan. Both unlimited data. The only difference is one has HD streaming and one is non-HD. So pricing wise, you could walk out buying one of these for, again, around $130 to $140. Now with T-Mobile, the retail price is going to be $168, but they do have an option to buy it through financing where you only be paying $7 a month. So a little bit less there. Depending on who you have your service with, obviously that's where you decide where you want to get it from. But either way, this tablet is a great value, and it's going to be great for kids, great for anyone who just loves watching movies and videos on the go, and anyone who wants the ability to have 4G LTE data connected to their tablet. So with this, again, you could be sitting in the car waiting for your kids to finish soccer practice, or you could be, you know, watching a video before you head into work, or possibly on your lunch break. So there's something in this tablet for everybody. It really is going to be great for those value shoppers out there who, again, want to just watch videos and stay connected on the go. Hope you guys did find this video helpful. Leave us a comment down below. Let us know what reason was the biggest reason for you, and let us know if you're considering buying one of the Alcatel Joy tablets. We want to thank our partners at Alcatel for sending us one of these out so we can really play around with it and experience it and be able to share all the great benefits with you guys. Thanks again for watching. Take care and have a good one.